Hello friends, in this video we are going to talk about Pulsara airdrop. So before we start the video, please don't forget to hit the like and the subscribe button. It really helps my channel grow. So Pulsara is an advanced ecosystem developed on the top of Corium blockchain. Now if we talk about the airdrop, in total 400 million SARA tokens would be airdrop. And there are certain criteria as to be eligible for this airdrop. So if we go down and check over here, so wallets holding about 10k Corium tokens would be eligible for 380 million SARA tokens, and the wallet holding below 10k Corium would be eligible for 10 million SARA tokens. Now, the more the Corium tokens you hold, the better it is for you. I mean, about 10k, the pool is huge, like 380 million SARA tokens. So this thing is like Pulsara is built on Corium, so you will need to hold this token. So the current price of Corium is close to 18 cents with a market cap of 68 million over here. Now you will need to either hold Corium tokens or maybe stake it on the Cosmos ecosystem in order to be eligible for SARA airdrops. Now this is their actual website of dax.pulsara.io, and there are various liquidity pools where you can farm them for additional rewards. So they have this Corium SARA, SARA USDC and Corium USDC, and around 34%, 33% you can say you are getting uh, liquidity pool rewards. Now there are two options of buying Corium tokens. If you don't have Corium tokens already, then you can go to Get.io and you can create an account on Get.io. If you don't have an account on Get.io, you can use the sign up link in the description where you will be getting $6,666 worth of sign up bonuses. Now once you create an account, all you have to do is you will need to either buy USDT or transfer USDT from your Trust wallet or some other wallet that you are using, maybe MetaMask or any other wallet, and then simply go ahead and put either a limit order if you want to buy Corium tokens at a certain price point, or maybe you can go ahead and put the market order. So if you put the market order, the order would be immediately executed and you will be getting Corium tokens in your spot wallet. Now why I recommend using Get.io is like Get.io has a inbuilt chain for Corium network, so you can directly transfer Corium tokens. Now for transferring Corium tokens to Corium address, you will need to have either a Leaf wallet or a Kepler wallet. So both of these wallets are for the Cosmos ecosystem. I personally like using Leaf wallet because it has an inbuilt airdrop checker and it's pretty easy to navigate on the Leap dashboard. So it's up to you. You can use either of this wallet, and you can simply transfer Corium from maybe Get.io to this wallets, or maybe you can use the sign up link in the description to sign up for Mexi Global, where again you will be receiving a lot of sign up bonuses. And over here you can go ahead and buy Osmosis because Mexi Global does not support the Corium network chain over here. So once you have Osmosis, all you have to do is again you will need to transfer it to Leaf wallet or Kepler wallet, and then simply go ahead to app.osmosis.zone over here, connect your Leaf wallet or Kepler wallet, and you have to swap like your Osmosis for Corium tokens. So once the swap is done, all you have to do is you will need to now go to, for this video purpose I will be showing you Leaf wallet over here. So I'll go ahead and open my Leaf wallet, and on the top over here you will need to search for Corium network and simply click on it. So once you receive these Corium tokens, all you have to do is you will need to simply go in stake over here, and as you can see I have staked a very small amount of only 90 Corium tokens. So simply go ahead and stake it. With regards to choosing the validator, don't choose the validator which are in top 20 or centralized exchange validators, don't choose it. Select the one which has like around 5% commission and that is giving a higher APR. So once you stake it, all you have to do is now you just have to keep checking this governance tab and keep voting on all these governance proposals over here, because most of the time this would help you to be eligible for various airdrops. Just to give you a recent example, I was voting on Osmosis governance, and I was eligible for Cell airdrop, which I have claimed it. So this is how you can be eligible for this Pulsara airdrop. And in case if you have any doubts and questions, please feel free to leave a comment. I would be more than happy to help you. Hope you like my video. Thank you for watching.